What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking my car to work and we're going to leave it there. Reason why is because we're going to start working on the headers. So I got the headers behind me on the floor. I'm tired of looking at them. I just put the the exhaust system for Dylan in, so I'm really stoked to do the headers on my car. I tried to shop around for some prices, but no one seems to want to do it, and I'm not going to go pay a professional shop you know, $7,000 to $1,000 to get it put in when I can probably do it myself. Just gotta take my time. So I'm probably gonna check up the videos on YouTube and everything and just look over how to do this, because I want to be able to do it myself and save some money. So that's what my current setup sounds like. I have stock headers to a stock Y pipe, which have deleted cats, and then I have a dump tube. There's no mufflers on here or anything like that. It sounds pretty good, but it's a little raspy. I'm pretty sure once the headers come on, and you know, with the Y pipe and the dump tube, it's gonna sound loud as hell. So we're gonna leave it here overnight so that it cools down. We don't want to work on it while it's hot. It's gonna be a fun project, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Got home a little bit a while ago when we dropped off my car at my job. We're gonna be starting on that tomorrow. But I want to update you guys on some stuff that's coming up later on this channel. If you remember correctly, we wrapped my girlfriend's Acura TLX right here in white. We're actually going to be taking the vinyl off and we're going to be rewrapping it again. Color was nice. It's been on here for about 6 months, but I think it's time for a change. I'm not sure when we're going to do that, but within the next month or two. She has school right now, so we're trying to work between the scheduling. I'm used to it being white right now, but it's definitely time for a change. It's just part of the vinyl. I'm not really happy with it. It's just peeling back and stuff like that. But yeah, some reason the vinyl isn't really holding up pretty well on the edges and corners. I probably just installed it wrong. I don't know. This is super thick compared to what I'm used to with, you know, the rose gold and the Vivid. I'm hoping I can do a better job on the next install. We're gonna be using Vivid's vinyl on this one, so no more APA for me. Maybe 3M and Avery if I actually could come across it, but this car is gonna be rewrapped, so it's gonna be really exciting. And for those of you guys aren't really interested in anything that's not Lexus related, I'm sorry, but this channel is gonna switch up real quick, and we're gonna be working on that car. Got another project that I want to be working on, but I can't tell you guys yet. It's gonna be later on this summer. Probably be uploading those videos within the next month. That's what I've been spending my time on. I just want to start vlogging again, just to be more interactive with you guys in the channel and keep you guys updated when there are any updates instead of randomly throwing random videos here and there. Again, we're gonna be doing the headers sometime this week. The car's at the shop because I didn't want to leave it here. I want it to cool down so we can, you know, get started with it without even like burning our hands and such. I have my friend Alejandro coming. You remember him? We did his white Camry. We vinyl wrapped his bumper. We're actually gonna be vinyl wrapping more accents on that Camry for his dad. It's a surprise for him, but I'm really excited to work on that car. I really like that car. I want to make it more aggressive. So when he gets here, I can talk a little bit more about it. All right, my buddy Alex is finally here and working on the Camry again. You remember we did the vinyl wrap on the bumper to open up this piece a little bit more to make it more aggressive. Now we're going to wrap the bottom silver trim to just black out the whole front end, make it look more aggressive. And then I'm going to be wrapping the mirrors, just a mirror cap to protect it from like rock chips and such. So might be a little difficult because there's little grooves right here, but I think it'll be all right. We should be able to do that one piece with the black Avery vinyl. Let's clean this up and let's get started. Alright guys, we just finished wrapping Alex's mirrors. They were already black from factory, But I went ahead and just wrapped it again to protect it from rock chips and things like that, and it looks really nice. The Avery did a really good job protecting it. I know it's hard to see it on the camera because it's super dark in here, but let's go to the front bumper, vinyl wrapped with black to match the rest of the front bumper. That little silver piece, so that'll be protected from rock chips. Now we have the driver mirror. Did it in one piece. Looks pretty good. He's happy with it. I'm happy with it. It's protected. It's good to go. So yeah, that's gonna end today's vlog. Not much to talk about, just a couple updates, and glad to see this car back on the channel. Alejandro's happy, but you know, New York Yankees over the LA's. Beautiful, it's looking good now. Have another look. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we get back in the shop and we're gonna start working on the headers. It's gonna be really, really loud, and hopefully it'll be a smooth process. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.